In this video, we're going to configure our MobileFirst server to work with our Oracle database. Launch the MobileFirst server configuration tool. Mine is in the IBM MobileFirst Platform Server folder under Shortcuts. You can also launch the tool from the Apps menu on your desktop. From within the tool, I'm going to create a MobileFirst server configuration. I'm going to name this MobileFirst Server. Click OK. Click Next. The database choice screen will appear. Select Oracle Standard or Enterprise Editions and click Next. Select Connect using generic Oracle JDBC URLs. Under Oracle JDBC driver, click Browse. Select the Oracle JDBC driver jar file and click Open. The path to the jar file will be displayed. Click Next. The Oracle Database Additional Settings screen will appear. Enter a database JDBC URL, enter a username and a password. You should see a Database Exists message. Click Next. The Create Oracle Databases screen will appear. Click Next. Select WebSphere Application Server and click Next. On the Application Server settings screen, choose the Liberty profile that you created earlier. Ensure that the installation directory is correct. The profile selected is Liberty, and the server name is Simple Server. Leave all other defaults and click Next. The Analytics settings screen will appear. Leave the checkbox unchecked and click Save. Then click Deploy. After a few moments, the configuration will be successfully deployed and you should see a message, Build Successful. You will now need to stop and restart the WebSphere Liberty profile. Open a DOS command prompt and go to the C IBM WebSphere Liberty bin directory. Run the following commands: server stop simple server and server start simple server. We're going to verify that the MobileFirst Platform Operations console is up and running. Open a browser and go to the URL. Enter a user ID of admin and a password of admin. You should see the IBM MobileFirst console screen with no deployed applications.